Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you a few products that we have installed on a Ford F-150 2010. So the first video we're going to show you the parking sensors. So for the parking sensors we have drilled 4 sensors in the bumper. We've used plastic adapters to make sure we don't have any interference on the sensors or any false reading. All the wires are running under the vehicle and go inside. And we have installed the screen on the top here, just above the mirror. You can have different locations of screens if you choose. When you put the vehicle in reverse, the light is automatically goes to on. Put the vehicle back to drive or parking, the light will turn off. When you get close to an object, it will start beep and will show you the different location where it is, if it's on the left side, on the right side, and the distance. Parking sensors and other installations can be found at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Thank you and have a good day.